Student, today's topic is Nernst equation, dependence of electrode and cell potential on concentration. The cell do not have fixed concentration, example 1 molarity and temperature, hence Nernst give a relationship between the electrode potential. It is E Mn positive M when the various types of concentration are given of anode and cathode. It's E phi Mn positive M when the 1 molarity electrode potential, standard electrode potential, which is say they are given minus 2.303 RT divided by NF. NF means number of electrons gain or lose. Then log M means concentration of anode divided by the concentration of cathode, and N positive means how many numbers of electron gain or lose. So student, the equation, if we put the value of all these, so the standard electrode potential value, then minus 2.30 into 8.314 into 298 divided by number of electrons, and the F Faraday 96,500 coulomb per mole, log M means anode concentration, then cathode concentration. So student, the equation is E phi Mn positive M means standard electrode potential 1 molarity minus 0.059 divided by N log M anode and M cathode. So in NCERT book in text 3.4 question, the question is calculate the potential of hydrogen electrode in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. Answer pH. So we calculate the question. Student, pH is equal to 10 means H positive concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 10. In Nernst equation, E equal to E phi minus 0.059 divided by 1 because 1 electron is gain or lose. Log 1 because the concentration of anode is 1 and the concentration of cathode is H positive, and you know always be the standard electrode potential of hydrogen electrode SHE is always be 0. So we put the value 0 is equal to 0 minus 0.059 divided by 1. Then log 1 divided by 10 to the power minus 10. Here they convert into the positive integer. Here 10 log 10 is equal to 10. So student, after the multiplication, the answer is the E value, electrode value of hydrogen electrode is 0 minus 0.059 divide multiply by 10, then answer is 0.59 volt. Student, another question NCERT is in text 3.5. These are based on this. Then question 3.5, they have 4 segments, so we solve the first segment. The question is write the Nernst equation and calculate the electromotive force of the following cell at 298 Kelvin. The first segment is Mg2 positive, concentration is given 0.001 molarity. Then Cu2 positive, the concentration are given 0.0001 molarity copper. So first we write the chemical equation. At anode, the magnesium oxidized, the magnesium atom given Mg2 positive, 2 number of electrons. At cathode, Cu2 positive gain 2 electron, then composite into Cu deposited at the cathode. So overall cell reaction is Mg plus Cu2 positive, then Mg2 positive, then Cu. Student, it is clear magnesium is oxidized and copper is reduced, and number of electrons are gain or lose are 2. You know student, E phi cell is equal to E phi cathode and minus E minus anode. So we put the value after the seeing of the value of electrochemical series. E phi cell, cathode means the copper side, Cu2 positive Cu minus E phi means anode side, Mg2 positive Mg. After the putting the value 0.34 minus 2.37, the answer is 2.71 volt. It is E phi cell is standard electrode potential. So student, E cell is equal to E phi cell minus 0.059 divided by 2 because the number of electron gain or lose is 2, log concentration of a anode Mg2 positive, then concentration of cathode Cu2 positive, which are given in a numerical. So we put all the values student. E cell minus 2.71 minus log 0.001 divided by 0.001. So student, after the solve this question, the answer is 2.6805 volt. Student, second segment also based on this type, and third segment, then fourth segment. After seeing the display, you can solve this question by the help of this. So student, the next topic is applications of Nast equation. First one, it's used for calculation of cell potential for purpose in a Daniell cell. Zinc anode and copper is known as a cathode. So we calculate E cell equal to E5 cell minus 0.059 divided by 2 log anode and cathode. So we easily calculate the cell potential. Second, students, they consider the equilibrium constant for Nast equation. It is simple. If a progress of electrochemical reaction is complete, so the reduction potential of an oxidation half cell in a Daniell cell purpose, Zn to positive Zn, and reduction half cell Cu to positive Cu, so they poses a equilibrium condition which is known as the equilibrium point. So we put the value. So student, log equilibrium constant is the position, means concentration is equal and they poses the equilibrium state. So zinc electrode is 1 and copper electrode is 1. So the Nast equation it will be changed. E5 cell is equal to 0.059 divided by n. Then the concentration is equilibrium state. So we put the value log Kc and the temperature 298 Kelvin. So student, easily we can calculate the equilibrium constant by modify the Nast equation. So log Kc is equal to Ne cell divided by 0.059 at 298 Kelvin, or E5 cell is equal to 2.303 RT NF divided by NF and log Kc. So these are three equations you use in the equilibrium constant Nast equation modification numerical. Student, in NCERT book example 3.1 and 3.2, these are totally based on this point. Student, the next segment is electrochemical cell and a Gibbs energy of the reaction. You know delta Rg phi is equal to W maximum, the work in a maximum condition. It is equal to minus NFE phi cell, means for a reaction in electrochemical cell, electrode differ in potential by E cell. The work done when amount of charge NF is pushed along by the potential. So delta Rg phi is equal to minus RT natural log K, where you know 2.303 log x is equal to natural log x. So delta Rg must be negative. Cell reaction is known as a spontaneous condition. Here E must be positive. So student, in a NCERT book in text 3.6, then 3.4, 3.6, these question based on these figures. So we can solve the question in text 3.6. In this question, the cell in which the following reaction occurs: 2Fe3 positive in aqueous plus 2I negative in aqueous condition, 2Fe2 positive aqueous and I2. So student, it's very easily. I is oxidized because negative 2 poses the neutral value and the ferric ion is reduced. So as E cell is equal to 0.36 volt value is given. So in this question, calculate the standard Gibbs energy and the equilibrium constant of the cell reaction. So number of electron gain or lose is 2. Faraday's value 96,500 coulomb. E node cell value is given 0.236 volt. So student, you know the Gibbs energy delta G phi is equal to minus NFE cell, or minus 2 into 96500 into 0.236 in a question they are given. So the Gibbs energy is minus 45,548 joule. We convert into the kilojoule, minus 45.55 kilojoule. Student, in second segment, they are want to a equilibrium condition, equilibrium constant. So you know delta G phi is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc, or Kc is equal to delta G phi divided by minus 2.303 RT. So we put the value, all the value we are putting in this formula. So student, Kc is equal to the condition after the solve, they equal to the in an anti-log condition, because in a right hand side where the log condition given, so we convert into the anti-log. So anti-log 0.983 into 10 to the power cell. In anti-log table we see the value of 0.983, it is 9.62 into 10 to the power cell is the answer of this question. Always be an equilibrium constant question. You properly check the anti-log table, and because answer of this question is solved in anti-log table. So in the next video we can show how can we show the anti-log and log table. Student, question 3.4 and 3.6 you can consider by this.